everyone, I'm Lauren Boucher and this is my cooking show. Today I'm going to make a really easy side dish. It can also be a topping for some meat. You can use it in other recipes like stuffed peppers. Really simple, and it's Marsala mushrooms. And you can make chicken marsala, just put it with pasta and it's really good. So you just need any type of mushrooms. I'm using baby Bella. You need some Marsala wine and you need butter, actually, and you also need salt and pepper. I'm gonna wash these mushrooms and then cut them up real quick. Quarter them and then basically bite-sized pieces. So they do tend to get a little smaller as you cook them. First, basically, I'm probably gonna put in half of this piece of butter, so half a tablespoon of butter, and maybe like 2 tablespoons of Marsala wine, and you just let it cook down. Simple as that. So follow me to the stove. Turning the stove on to medium heat. The butter in. You will need a wooden spoon. So now that the butter is melted, I'm gonna add the mushrooms. I'm gonna do a little bit of my garlic guava salt, because why not? Little bit of pepper. Now mix it all in. Coat the mushrooms in butter. Next, I'm gonna add the Marsala wine. So let's see. I wonder what this looks like. Ooh. 2. So you're gonna wanna cook this until all of the moisture evaporates. You don't need to stir all the time, but stir pretty often. You can see the mushrooms getting a little smaller. And there's actually more liquid now because the mushrooms are letting out the water that were inside of them. You just wanna keep cooking. The water is evaporating a lot more, so they're getting closer. All of the liquid is basically gone. I'm gonna let them crisp for like 1 more minute, and I'm gonna turn the heat off. They are done. Oh, wow. Look at these freaking hot, delicious Marsala mushrooms. So it took 10 minutes. 10 minutes total on the stove. That's it. And so you could put these in a pasta, you can cut them up and put them in stuffed peppers, you can just eat them as a side dish, eat them on a steak. You could mix onions in with this recipe. Like, you could put these in a taco. Here's the big reveal. It's sweet. It's tender. It's got the right amount of chew. They're good alone. And it's so easy. It really would go with any side dish. Put this in rice. I gotta stop eating these. Okay, I'm done. You really should try this. And when you leave them on for an extra minute, they get a nice little brown on them. Let me find one. I just ate all the... I don't know if you can see that, but... Whew, that was a hot one. They're really good. 3 ingredients. You really should try making these Marsala mushrooms. Thank you for watching. Bye.